Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anubhuti. I work as a flight attendant in Indigo Airlines. So today the video is all about the makeup, what kind of makeup you should do and what kind of makeup I did when I was giving my interview. तो ये वीडियो आज वही होगा जिसमें मेकअप कैसे करना है इंटरव्यू के लिए। आप जब इंटरव्यू देने जाओगे तो उसमें मेकअप क्या करना है, बहुत बेसिक सा मेकअप है, बहुत लिमिटेड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, उसके साथ मैं आपको आज मेकअप करना सिखाऊंगी. So starting with, so keep your lips moisturized before applying lipstick or any product on your lip. That's all. And I'm using this moisturizer which was suggested by my dermat, and this moisturizer have SPF in itself, so yeah, we are using that. If you want, even you can use this moisturizer is really well, which works for me actually. So yes, moisturize your skin very well. I don't use primer, I just use this moisturizer and that's all. And I start with my makeup directly, and yes, let it set for a while. Till then I'll tell you what I use next. So I use this color corrector, orange color corrector, which is from Colors Queen, which I ordered online. I'll use this under my eye and around my lips, that's all. A very little amount. So yes, so when you are done with blending, use foundation. So I'm using Forever 52, this foundation it is, so I'm using this. Use any foundation of your choice, of your perfect shade. So after blending your color corrector, use foundation. I'm using Forever 52 of my shade. Use any of your foundation of your shade accordingly. And I usually do makeup with my fingers only. I never use a brush or beauty blender. So blend it really well all over your face. थोड़ा बहुत कट. So don't do your makeup very heavy, keep it a little subtle, normal, because the airline will teach you their own grooming and everything. They'll teach you how to do makeup according to their grooming standards. So it's easier, it's just a matter of fact of your interview, that's all. Once you're done with your interview and you have got shortlisted, they'll teach you everything about makeup. Once you're done with your blending of your foundation and everything, use compact, any compact, whichever compact you have. So I'm using Maybelline compact. Little on your neck as well. And yes, then let's move towards eyebrow. I think eyebrow is a very important part of your makeup, I feel. Of course, it's up to everyone, like how they like it. So I love to do my eyebrow and keep it set. So I'm doing my eyebrow. Okay. By the way, I'm using Insight eyebrow pencil. Yes, and I'm done with my eyebrows. Yeah. Once you are done with your eyebrow, I'm using Faces Canada Perfect Blush. Hot pink is the shade. For this, I use brush. You can use any blush color, the shade you want, but I use this hot pink. While I'm on my duty also, I use this blush only, and for the interview also I used this blush. Let's move towards the eyes. So keep your eye makeup very subtle. Don't make it too loud, just normal. So I take black color. This is Nykaa palette Night Out. So I take this black color first, and above make a liner type of line over here on your lids. Yeah. Same to the other eye as well. Yeah. Once you're done with the black color, use this brown and smudge it over black color as well. Very light. It should not be loud out. It's just very normal and subtle. Once you're done with brown, use this lighter color on above brown color which you have applied and merge it over properly. Yeah. Same to the other eye. And yes, you are done with your eye makeup. Yeah. So when you're now I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I'm using Mars Double Triple Mascara. Apply mascara really well. Your eyelashes will look really pretty. Apply a lot of mascara, which I like actually. Once you are done applying your mascara properly, nicely, yeah. Wipe out the lip balm which you have applied. Apply lip liner properly. And then lipstick. Coming towards lipstick, so it's a red which is Bloodhound of Insight lipstick. So I use this lipstick which is in red in color, maroonish red color actually. And if you don't have lipstick, if you don't have lip liner, you can use eyeshadow as a lip liner for a while. Once you are done with your lip, the last and final step is highlighter, which I'm using of Maybelline. Apply highlighter on your bridge of your nose and tip of your nose and on above your cheeks, actually cheekbones, and yes, you are done. Also, one thing you can do is you can use this highlighter on the inner corners of your eye. So I'll tell you how. You can use this highlighter to highlight your inner corners, which looks really good. And yeah, yes, you are done with your makeup. That's all is all about makeup. It's very simple and with very limited products. I've not used a lot of products of makeup. It's just very minimal and affordable products. All these products are not very expensive. And once you're done with your makeup, make a sleek bun, very sleek bun. So it's a little messy of mine because of course I'm just at home. So just make it sleek from forward. Use donut if you want to use to make your bun, or you can make braided bun as well. Use pearl white earrings, not loud. Wear a watch and your attire should be formal. You can wear blazers, a skirt, knee-length skirt, not above knee. And yes, that's all about your makeup and everything, and it's very easy, very simple. If you're going for interview, that's all. Is just a little bit of makeup. Your hair should be neat and clean, that's all. And most importantly, your smile and your confidence, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.